Without further ado, proud to show you guys OnePlus 6.
Please allow us, OnePlus and Disney, to present OnePlus 6 Marvel Avengers Limited Edition. Infinite power in your hands.
Is that for the Avengers Special Edition? And you have all the Infinity Stones, but you can't snap the finger, right? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to this. Yes, that's correct. That's a launch event for the OnePlus 6 and I'm going to be going on my motorbike. So this will be a 2-in-1 video. I will be motovlogging as well as I'll be covering the event for you guys. So let me know on both the channels how did you like it. For now we are all set. Everything is ready. Everything is charged. It's just that I'm recording this from the camera's mic because my mic probably has low battery or something like that. But I will see you on the bike and yes, I'll definitely see you at the event. Goodbye. Hey guys, so we are here at the OnePlus 6 launch event and it's very hot and the queue, I will show you guys. There's a very long queue that we have. Now this is basically NSCI Dome is where the event is and the event itself starts at around 3 o'clock and we are in the queue. So in the maybe in the next 20 or 30 minutes we should be in and we should have a look at the goodies and the device as well. The hands-on is something that I'm excited about. We've already checked out the phone in yesterday's event. So let's see how it goes today. So that's how crowded it is at the OnePlus event today. I had read online that there will be around 2,000 people, but looks like they were right. Arbaz bhai! How many turns more to go?
4 more. Very disappointed with the facility.
So yeah, OnePlus fans, how's it going?
Very poor.
Well, it's hot, can't help it. They have arranged the events in a very good way. Who all are excited and who all are going to buy the OnePlus 6? Raise your hands, guys.
Marvel Edition.
Marvel Edition. And you all did see the launch event yesterday in London, right?
Yeah.
How was it? Any one feature that you guys think OnePlus should have made it better? I think it is the battery because they've not increased it since the time the OnePlus 5 was launched.
Also dual VoLTE.
Dual voice over LTE will be there. It is supported by Snapdragon
They
845.
should give it
No, they will give it.
Wireless charging.
Wireless charging. So yeah, looks like finally we are entering and this is the tag that we have and everybody is having ice creams over here and the roar inside has already begun, so I guess the event is already starting. We are already late. We had come on time, but looks like see you guys inside. Oh yeah, this is what they are giving. So hey guys, the event has just concluded and the hands-on experience has started. Now we are at the stall where all the Avengers goodies are. They have announced the Avengers edition as you saw for 44,999 with 256 gigs of internal and a lot of Avengers goodies. Especially the Iron Man case looks awesome. So let's go ahead and check out this booth. Let's see what all we have here. So this is what we have, the bullets. Let me just quickly put them on. And this is the magnetic thing. So probably, just probably, let me give them a try. Oh, this is the matte OnePlus 6 is what we are looking at. Sound is good, really good. The weight is just right, and the matte one looks brilliant. So I was first thinking of getting the shiny one. Now I might as well get this one. Let's have a quick look at the phones and then we should leave for the day. So you guys, checking out two versions of this OnePlus 6 here. This is the white variant that we have. To me, this looks much better compared to, so yeah, the thing that they spoke about, the pearls being crushed into the layers and stuff, it definitely gives you a very premium look. Now this is what probably I'm buying. This is a mirror black, or the shiny black as you might want to say it. So this is how it looks with the notch, and let me just show you guys a quick hands-on. Oh, alright, that's a quick look at the white OnePlus 6 here. Now let's see what variant we are looking at here. Mostly this is the 128 because that is exclusive to the white color. I've not seen a 64 having white color. So this is basically, yes, it is the 120GB variant, 8 gigs of RAM, and the rose gold finish on this really makes a lot of difference. The vertically stacked cameras, the fingerprint scanner, the alert slider, it definitely looks premium, and the first look and feel is awesome compared to the OnePlus 5. For some reason it feels a little bit slim, probably because of the way the glass melts into the corners and stuff like that. The buttons are very tactile, and that's where the SIM tray is. That is the headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, the primary mic, and the speaker. That is where the secondary mic is. That's a dual LED flash. So the speed you need is what they say, and it is running really fast. Now that's the look of these two phones. So yeah, there will be a full review and unboxing that will be coming out. So yeah, that was a quick look at the phones, and to be honest, there's a lot of rush over here. Is this the queue for what? Oh, so there's a queue to go out as well. So we started with the queue, and probably we're going to end the day with the queue as well. I'm mighty impressed with the phones. So the white one turned out to be a much better than I was expecting it to be. Still, I'm getting the shiny black one because that looks dope.
टीम लेट मी थिंक, आपका क्या कहना है इस फोन के बारे में? अब से हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे कि सतीश जी हमारे वीडियो में आने वाले हैं, इसलिए हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे. व्यूअर डिस्क्रिप्शन एडवाइज्ड. सो टीम लेट मी थिंक, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दिस फोन? सॉरी, इंग्लिश में पूछा है, हिंदी में बता दीजिए.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
नहीं, कुछ तो बोलो. आपका आईफोन वाला वीडियो देखा था हमने, कभी आईफोन से स्विच कर दो. और सतीश जी, आपका क्या कहना है?
देखो यार, फोन छूने नहीं मिल रहा है. उधर गए तो बोले पासपोर्ट खोल के दो, तो बोल रहा है नहीं, सिर्फ छू सकते हो.
मैंने सीन क्या बताता हूँ, ब्लॉक करने इधर जाने का, ऐप देखने उधर जाने का, कैमरा ओपन करने वो साइड जाने का.
बहुत भगा रहे नहीं. इवेंट मैनेजमेंट बराबर नहीं था.
बिल्कुल एकदम घटिया.
और अभी एग्जिट के लिए भी 3 क्यू है.
ऊपर से लाइन देखो कितना लगा.
मतलब बाहर जाने के लिए लाइन लगाएंगे हमेशा. ये तो मैंने पहली बार देखा. अच्छा, बुरी बातें तो हमने कर दी, अभी अच्छा क्या हुआ ये बताओ.
अच्छी बात है कि अमिताभ बच्चन सर आए थे.
हाँ, वो मुझे भी बहुत सही लगा. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो नहीं ले पाए साथ में, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा.
उनका प्रेजेंस ही एकदम पूरे इवेंट का पूरा मूड चेंज हो जाता है. पूरी थकान वकान सब.
आदित्य राव जैसे लग रहा था अपना मेकअप भूल के आ गया. फिर भी मतलब अच्छी लग रही है.
ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था जब वो फोन के बारे में बात कर रहे थे तो स्क्रिप्टेड रिस्पॉन्स है पूरा.
4 करोड़ रुपए मिले थे.
ओके सर, थैंक यू फॉर मीटिंग. और आपका अगला वीडियो कब आ रहा है?
2-3 दिन में आ जाएगा.
Guys, those were two of my friends. This is Umesh from Team Let Me Think. He needs no introduction. Like हमारा चैनल बहुत छोटा है और ये हमारे सतीश सर है. सतीश सर व्यूअर्स को हाय बोल दीजिए एक बार.
अरे नमस्कार देवी और देवताओं, सब्सक्राइब करो यार, भाई को सपोर्ट करो यार, बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, धूप में यार बाइक चलाते हैं. मतलब करो यार, सब्सक्राइब करो और मुझे भी कर देना अगर.
सतीश कुशवाहा, his channel is amazing. Link is mentioned in the description और अभी नीचे भी दिख रहा है. So go ahead and subscribe to that channel and Team Let Me Think as well. Goodbye.
Face to face I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me, it tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can, yes you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above.